Hey guys, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Got another sweet listing to show you guys today. It's a 2021 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. It's got the Glacier Green hull sides, bottom paint. Comes with a 2022 single axle swing tongue trailer. This boat is very clean. Just had a 100-hour service on the 90 Mercury with only 8 hours on it. Virtually brand new boat. Listing is just dropping today. Got the bimini top, bow cushion, railings, collapsing twin bucket seats, tinted windshield with glove box access. Got the Garmin unit on there for a nice navigation center at the helm. Shifter and throttle on your starboard side. Really nice low profile boat. Great for shallow creeks, going under bridges, hanging out at the sandbar. Really nice little boat here. Stepping forward, give you a better view of the interior. Like I said, 8 hours on the Mercury 94 stroke. Painted bottom, stays here locally in Wrightsville Beach. Really nice little boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this listing, please give me a call on my cell at 239-249-4345. Love to talk to you about it, schedule showing, see if it's the right boat for you. Again, a 2021 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. Thanks for watching, guys. Pat Wilkins here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Have a good day.